This is Dr. Peter with the Phenomenal Minute. People sometimes ask, why is it I can go to 3 different chiropractors and experience 3 totally different types of adjustments? Every chiropractor seems to have their own technique, or let me rephrase that. Some chiropractors just use their hands. Some people will use an instrument to adjust, to provide forces to the spine. Some chiropractors will use a combination of things. Some people do subtle touch. Some people do manual thrusts into the spine. The goal of chiropractic care is to provide a very specific force into the body that the body can take and bring the function of the nervous system to a greater degree of ease and adaptability. The type of forces that the chiropractor will apply will be based upon their training, their proficiency of various techniques, the patient, the body's needs, and the combination of all of that at a given moment in an adjustment. It does not mean that one person needs to get manual adjusting and another person needs to have an instrument utilized. So much lies in the skills of the chiropractor and the chemistry between the chiropractor and the recipient of care, the patient. So there are many, many different techniques, all of which could lead us to the same destination: a healthier spine, a healthier nervous system, and hence a healthier body. This is Dr. Peter with the Phenomenal Minute.